Tired of rising energy bills and feeling like you're paying more for less? At KAS Solar Services, we're your local solar experts right here in Leicestershire. Based in Markfield and proudly serving Leicester, Ratby, Groby, Glenfield, New Lubbocksthorpe, and Leicestershire. We make the switch to solar easy, from your first inquiry to design, installation, and aftercare. Your system powers your home day and night, run your appliances, charge your EV, heat your water. Many of our customers even switch off their gas in spring and summer. And when you're generating more than you use, sell it back to the grid, get credit on your bills or take the cash. For businesses, solar pays off fast, with smart funding and long-term savings. Our wonderful customers rave about our work. KAS Solar Services, power made simple.